Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the bonus chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su. Bonus chapter 2, Special Edition. Hotel room, the two of them. Right now, Xiao Su was teasing Xiao Jing so much. Xiao Jing looking at her. Now, she's out of breath and she can take it anymore. Xiao Shu fight her. And Xiao Jing, she looks really uncomfortable, especially right now. Her face is turning red. The two of them still entangled. Xiao Shu bite her again on the neck. Xiao Jing, she was humming. Probably it was a little bit painful. For now, really marks on the shoulder. Xiao Shu, she is really unstoppable. Xiao Jing, she can do anything but has to obey on her. Xiao Jing said, Don't, don't be here. But right now, Xiao Shu, it's like she's not hearing anything, but she continued to tease her. Suddenly, she picked her up. Xiao Shu said, Okay, let's go to bed. Xiao Jing, wearing a bunny ears, right now, is being carried out to the vet. Xiao Shu, she continued to go there. She was unstoppable until now. Xiao Jing, she was still pinned down. Xiao Shu said, Xiao Jing, remember to breathe. But also so cute, so forget to breathe. Well, right now, she is having a difficulty to breathe. Xiao Jing, looking at her, she looks really vulnerable. Also right now, she said to Xiao Shu, Don't, stop playing. Well, for now, of course, she knows that Xiao Shu is playing. That's why she is teasing her so much. Although this is not the first time that I had been so close to Xiao Jing, Xiao Shu said to her. But looking at it, Xiao Shu, she don't want to tease her. That's why she moved her hand closer. But her attention to make me seems to have no end. Of course, right now, in Xiao Shu's mind, she become unstoppable. It's like she want to collect and select. Her hands is choosing whether she goes in. Xiao Jing is it uncomfortable. Right now, Xiao Shu is asking her. Of course, maybe. She really wants her to feel comfortable. She don't want to hurt her. But right now, it seems that Xiao Jing feels so crazy and now she was screaming hard. Xiao Shu, she moved closer to her again. Right now, suddenly her legs is shaking. Xiao Shu pushed it too often. Well, Xiao Su, she is getting better, especially on teasing Xiao Jing. Xiao Jing at this moment, she is recalling her work. Now, looking at her, she looks really tense. Probably she really feels strange. What Xiao Shu is doing right now? She bite her again. Xiao Jing, take it easy, Xiao Shu said to her. But of course, if you get this so much like this, of course you cannot control yourself. By right now, Xiao Jing, she is screaming again. It's like she really can't take it anymore. That's why she let it go. All the things Xiao Shu is doing to her, it really makes her uncomfortable, especially right now. Xiao Su, she really make it fast. Looking at Xiao Jing, she looks really uneasy. That's why she is gibbering. Also, she's been little tense and shaking. Now, she really can't bear it anymore. Xiao Shu, offer yourself to me. Without any reservation, let me approach you. She is so cute and so worthy of being loved. Now, Xiao Shu, she can really bear herself. Especially, she hugged Xiao Jing. She embraced her. Two of them finally already finished. Xiao Shu, she really loves Xiao Jing so much. That's why, all the time, she really wants her to feel comfortable. Xiao Jing, we will be forever. Xiao Shu said to her. Well, this is the sweetest thing Xiao Jing tells her. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is open. Those who would like to support, thank you.